Let's make honey garlic chicken. Start with dicing your chicken into 1-inch cubes. Add your diced chicken into a bowl. Season with salt, pepper, paprika, and flour, and then mix that well together. In a small bowl, add some honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, and then mix that well together and set aside. Preheat your frying pan over medium heat. Add some olive oil. Next, add your chicken. Spread your chicken out on your pan so it cooks evenly. Place your lid on and let it cook for a couple minutes on that side. Remove lid, flip the chicken onto the other side, and brown well on that side. Next, add your honey mixture and then mix that well with your chicken. Place your lid on your pan and then let it cook until the sauce thickens and your chicken is cooked all the way through. In the description below, you will find the full recipe, and then join me for more recipes.